Well, but the one thing is, I have to mention here is one thing is there is a difference between Web 2 and Web 3, especially for tier application. The differences are, the first is you probably never have so many free application. I mean, quote free in like what we have in Web 2. The reason it's free in Web 2 is we actually sell our privacy to the tech giants. That's why it looks like free, but it's not. Free is the most expensive. You know the term, right? But in Web3, almost everything is you're gonna have to pay everything. But because we support the micropayment, you can pay reading a article, pay 0.00001 cents. It's possible. In blockchain, no, you cannot pay that because gas fee is too high. In T, you can. So there will be a lot of a micropayment. You'll probably not really, and you probably not really care how much money you spend, but you have to spend anything because that will support the developers, support the miners. Another thing you'll probably notice that because of decentralization, we will not have a typical domain name system. I'm not sure you know domain name. It's like a
Yes,
like
I
triple W
understand.
dot something. You know that. We probably don't have that because the domain name is centralized. You have to, as a developer or a host of the domain name, you have to apply to a centralized authority. We don't use that. It's a new way to run application. You probably got a application from your friend, which is a long hash, sometimes called CID, content ID, with the IP address. That is similar to what we use in IPFS. So you don't really care what is IP address because it's all the miners. Every miner have same different IP address. You kill any of them, you can run the same application. This is very different than what you do today by running go to a website. We don't have website. Remember, serverless. We don't have anyone can hold the server. We do care of the ID here, which is the ID of the application. So it doesn't matter which server you connect to. There are thousands of mining nodes. You connect any of them, you can get the same result. So you just choose which are very faster to you, close to you, will be fine.